Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing the Google Chromecast, and it is basically an HDMI stick that connects to your TV and you can stream content to it from YouTube and other services. So on the back here it basically shows us what you can do, and it works with a lot of numerous different devices. So let's take a look at the box here. We have Chromecast, and it is a open. Okay, nice. So we have our getting started page on the left side, and in the center we have the actual Chromecast. So we'll set that aside for the moment, and what we have here is the USB power cord. If your TV supports USB, you can just unplug it and plug it into your TV like that. But if it doesn't, you can just plug this into your wall. And also in the box we have an optional HDMI extender in case you can't fit it in, and we also have a limited warranty. So we don't need any more manuals or any paperwork. We have our getting started tab on the left side, and basically it says plug it in, plug in the power, select to the HDMI input, and then basically go to chromecast.com/setup. So we'll do that in a sec. Alright, so essentially to set up the Chromecast, you'll need an HDMI port. You just shove in your Chromecast in there, and then you're going to grab a micro USB cable and plug it into the end of it. Just wrap this around the camera. Let's see which way. This way, yep. So make sure that is plugged in. And you plug that into your USB over here. See how it supplies 5 volts. So just plug that in like that, and then we shall turn on the TV. Okay, so I've checked and it is set up on lead number 2 HDMI. This TV only has 2. So right now it says go to chromecast.com/setup, and we shall do that on our phone if my hands can stretch far enough. Okay, so just go to chromecast.com/setup and hit go. Alright, so we get on Google Play. Let's open up with the Play Store. Or I could have just gone on the Play Store and done it, but okay. So this is just setting up through your phone. Just gonna angle this down so it's easier. Okay, so it's just installing now. It's open. Open. Accept. So right now it's gonna scan for some Chromecasts. Cool. That is our 3179 as shown on the TV. So we hit setup. Actually, let's do some split view like that. I'll just put it over this side. X5D6. So I'm guessing we'll have to enter that. Okay, yep, so you can tap see this code, and then we give it a name. We'll just call it living room as per suggested name, and we need to set it up with our password, so I'm going to quickly type that in. Alrighty, so now it's connecting to our Wi-Fi or your home Wi-Fi network. Sweet, so I'm guessing it's just downloading the latest update, yep. And you're ready to cast. So whenever you see this app within your apps, sorry, this icon within your apps, you can stream to your Chromecast and it'll play off the TV. So right now we just have, let's see what we get. Okay, we can use our phone, and we can cast our screen on it too. So we can go on YouTube and cast that, movies, and by the way, you can download, I think it's called Allcast by the Clockwork mod team, my bad, and it allows you to stream or send videos to your Chromecast and other DLNA, I think it's called, capable devices, so you're not that limited. Well, I guess we don't really need that, because we can try it on YouTube. So I'm going to let this download and we're now ready to cast, and we'll show you what. So essentially I will go to my phone, and we shall try casting the screen as our first test, I guess. Oops. And go over to display, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom you'll find cast screen, and you can, or you should be able to. Yes, our living room. Nice. So up in that corner we have a little screencast icon, and we shall now see that our phone is here. Screencasting not optimized for this device. Oh, you can see it up there. So I'll angle this a little bit up. It's not optimized, but it still works, I guess. What happens if you turn it sideways? So I assume it will do everything. There's a tiny bit of delay, but that's alright. I think as soon as we go into a sideways app, which I will attempt to find one, and we put this, there we are. I guess it's just a little bit off, if you can tell from the sides here. Actually, everything looks a bit overexposed. We shall fix that. Okay, so I think on your TV you may be able to fix that. Picture size? Yeah, sure. Well, it does a pretty good job at the moment. So right now we're just in the Play Store, and this is pretty fun. Now we're back home. So I guess we could try a YouTube video. So I'm just going to disconnect that for now, and we shall go over to the YouTube app. Okay, so now it tells us that we're ready to cast at the top here with this icon. So you're able to just find a video. I'm going to find one. Let's see. Really don't like listening to myself, but alright, we'll just have a look at my latest video. How's that sound? So on the top here, we can press our cast icon, and then we select which one to cast to, our living room, and now we should be able to cast like that. I have no idea how loud this is. Alright, 10.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be
some buffering, nice. So that's pretty cool.
Change your default apps on Windows 10. So some of you may know that when you go
blah 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 blah
and ask you to set default browser, and you hit yes, but sometimes it actually doesn't change it from Microsoft Edge. So apparently there's a new way to do this in Windows 10. And
alright, so enough of watching my own videos. So what I also believe, whoops, and you can also change the volume from here, which is pretty good. So I think we can hit disconnect, and we should also be able to perhaps listen to music like that. Yeah, yes we can. I don't know what music we can listen to. Yeah, probably not a good idea, but you can listen to music too. If you just have a look here, we are able to have a casting icon over there, which allows us to pretty much cast to there, well, our TV. So that's about it, a small walkthrough on how to use it and what it can do, and I'm sure you can find more uses for this. Probably use popcorn time with it, enjoy your movies, and yeah, pretty much it's a little HDMI like receiver, I guess, for your TV, so you can stream content from your phone, your laptop, your desktop, anything to your TV that is not already enabled like the LNA. So yeah, that's it for the Google Chromecast, and if you like this video, please feel free to leave a like down below, and also subscribe if you'd like to see more.